What's up, SBM gang? It's been a while, but I'm back. Today I'm doing a UNice Hair collab. They sent me over a highlighted wig. The lace was very thin. The wig fit perfect on my client's head. And y'all already know I use my BoldHold lace products to get this slay going. This step is not optional. I repeat, this step is not optional. You always want to use your skin protectant first before applying your BoldHold. I didn't film videos of me pressing out the hair because that's pretty self-explanatory, and that was the last thing that I had to do to get this final look. Makeup check, makeup check. Yes, my sis killed her face. I killed this lace. Bars, period. Be sure to like, comment, and share. Subscribe. Tell your homegirls to subscribe. Let us know what you want to see more of. If you guys want to see behind the scenes stuff, let me know. I'll try to film more stuff of us learning our routines, doing our TikToks. Just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to follow me and Gabby on all of our social medias. And I will put all the information for this wig in the description box.